Chapter 15, Leases. A land lease is also called a ground lease. It's a lease agreement that permits the tenant to use a piece of land owned by the landlord in exchange for rent. Land leases work very similarly to the way traditional property leases operate. The tenant can enter into both residential and commercial agreements. Most land leases are vacant, allowing the tenant to construct a temporary, or in some arrangements, permanent structure at his or her own cost. However, some land leases do already have structures, partial structures, or other objects on them for the tenant's use. What comes to mind immediately would be billboards along the highways. Note of interest: state of Vermont does not allow billboards along the highway. The land lease estate refers to the ownership interest that the landlord or lessor maintains in a property under a lease, with the rights of use and occupancy being conveyed or granted to a tenant or lessee. So that is the leased fee estate refers to the landlord. The landlord will own a leased fee estate in that property. The leasehold estate refers to the interest which a tenant or lessee acquires under a lease, including rights to use and occupancy for a stated term under certain conditions. Well, these are the things that are important for you to know as you take the quiz for Chapter 15. Good luck. See you in the next chapter.